Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your ESS account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, on the search bar, simply type what I am typing, ESS login team leads, and simply hit on enter. Now the link will be something like this. Simply click on the link that is provided. Now this will be the login page. You can simply enter your username right here and then your password. In case you have some issues while logging in, click on this trouble login button and follow through the prompts. Type the word and click here for login. Well guys, that's it. That's how you log in to your ESS account. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.